Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video, I am going to show you how to make compost from kitchen waste. We will need big size clay pot with drainage hole, dry leaves or garden waste, kitchen waste like fruits and vegetable peel, vermicompost or any compost, first, we will cover holes with some broken pieces of pots or pebbles, stone chips, then I will take dry leaves to make the first layer. This layer should be 2 to 3 inches. Second layer, garden soil 1 inch. If possible, take fresh and moist soil from such a place where plants are already growing, as this soil is rich and full of microbial life and bacteria which will increase composting process. Now for the third layer. We are going to add kitchen waste like leafy vegetables and peels of fruits and vegetables. Eggshells take much more time to decompose, so I crush them to fasten up the process. We should cut big pieces of waste. This will speed up the composting process. Now for the fourth layer, I am adding vermicompost. 1 to 2 handful will be enough. Microorganisms in this compost will accelerate the composting process. If you don't have compost, you can also add some buttermilk or curd to introduce fungus and microbes in this system. Now again add a layer of dried leaves, garlic and onion peels as dry waste. Collect fallen or trimmed leaves from your garden, but avoid using diseased leaves and weeds with seed on them. Then again add a layer of kitchen waste. Collect kitchen scraps over a day or two, then add into the compost bin. I collect kitchen scraps in small packets. When you have enough scraps, refill your compost bin again and again. Then add some compost. Now in every few days, you just have to add your scrap and then a layer of dry matter. This idea behind making layer of dry matter is to give air circulation in the bin, which is important for the composting microbes. Also, your compost bin will not have a bad smell. Spread some water, not too much water to make it soggy. Cover the pot or compost bin. Then keep it in a shaded area or in your garden where minimum sunlight reach. I place it on my terrace near other plants. The things you cannot use in your compost bin: 1. Dairy products. 2. Non-veg items. 3. Cooked food. 4. Sugar and sweet. 5. Fungus and worm. I also added the residue after making the kitchen waste liquid fertilizer. Then add some dry matter. My compost bin is now full. Check the moisture of the bin once or twice in a week. If necessary, add some water. Cover the bin. Do not water for a week before collecting compost. After 70 days, let's open it and see if compost is ready or not. Some branches of my garden waste are not decomposed. There are also some insects in it. These insects are good for composting and it is normal. But how do we know that our compost is ready? Everything which turned black and can be easily be broken are fully decomposed organic compost. There are no bad smell. Some eggshells are not fully decomposed. I sieve it by this strainer. Now this is 100% organic compost. This is far better and richer than any compost which we buy from the market. This black matter is black gold that our plants really need. This is not fully decomposed. Some matter decompose faster and some needs more time to break down. You can use this residue again in your compost bin. I use this compost to the plants.